Introducing the 2025 CUPRA Tavascan with 286B horsepower and endurance automatic capabilities. This stunning vehicle in yellow is packed with comfort, safety and stylish features for an amazing driving experience. From air conditioning to satellite navigation, lane departure, warning to collision avoidance braking, this car has it all. With luxury trim, privacy glass and a glass roof, you'll be driving in style and security. Plus, with a full health and safety check, manufacturer specification servicing and a comprehensive warranty, you can drive with peace of mind. Call us or visit blackwatermotors.ie for more information on this exceptional vehicle today.